Hi, this is Rodney from Toccoa Coin Shop here, Coins, Currency, and Collectibles here in Toccoa, Georgia. And I have a unique item right here. I have a 100-ounce troy ounce bottles of Engelhard. The unique thing about this 100-ounce bar is it is still sealed from Engelhard, never been opened. Considering how long Engelhard has been out of business, it's quite amazing. This bar is basically flawless, no scratches. It has original casing that it's sealed in. I can take you right here and show you 1-ounce troy ounce silver bar. There goes the Engelhard, American tradition of precious metals. Folks, this thing is just absolutely beautiful right here. And we have two of them in the store, but only one is sealed. The other one is not sealed, but it too is basically flawless, and I'll bring that up here in a second and I'll show you this as well. But it just doesn't have the seal like this one is. I am in the store, and I believe this item has just sold in the store. There's a man waiting for it to see it, but I told him, let me film it first and get this out there. I want you all to see this. You can see where this is just a beautiful, beautiful bar right here. 100 ounces, troy ounces of the Engelhard. And it's the only one that I've seen, although that don't mean anything. I haven't been in the business as long as you all have. But feel free to comment if, but this is just a beautiful 100 troy ounce silver bar, 0.999. There goes the serial number. I know that means a lot to silver Engelhard collectors and numbers and serial numbers, but this is just really, really beautiful. And I just had to show this off because this thing is smooth as silk, this bar. And let me show you the other one. I have it right here. And let me see if I can move this one aside. Here's the other one. You can see how smooth it is. It's not gouged up at all. You can see a different serial number. This is bar number 2 we have here in the store. We purchased these off of an individual, I believe, the other day. Do not have, like I said, this one doesn't have the sealed casing on it like the other one, but just as fine, just as beautiful. Turn this over. You can just see this is just this really, really smooth bar here. So if you want any information on this bar, you can get a hold of Bobby, and she can give you more information, not only on this bar, but other things we have in stock. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day. Oh yes, and can you please give us a thumbs up and recommend and share so we can help get this information out to the hobby. We want to support the hobby and silver coin collecting and currency. And have a nice day.